In this video, I'll show you how to add GIFs to your Instagram stories. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing, giving the video a like so others can find it too. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to open up Instagram. Then to open up your stories, simply swipe to the left and you can take a quick selfie. And after you have your picture, all you have to do is to upload GIFs. And once you have your selfie or your picture, remember that you can also upload one from your camera roll by swiping up. Once you have this, go ahead and select the smiley face at the top and hit GIF. Now here, Instagram is going to show us different options that they have, but of course you can search your own GIF by typing something that you want. For example, today is Friday, so I'm gonna get a small GIF that says Friday. Let's see what else. You're going to see so many different options that you can pick from. As you can see, you're going to find different options for your GIFs. You can search something totally different, maybe pink, because I'm wearing pink today, and you're going to get hearts. Let's see what else. And then you can even get a rain of sparkles, and you can make it bigger or smaller depending on what you want for your story. Once your story is ready, simply hit your story, and now your friends will be able to see your GIF with your story. Hope this helps.